and the dry weather for the rest of this, and it remains cold through today and rather grey and gloomy, as we can see from Belfast earlier. It's all due to this area of high pressure staying with us into the early part of next week at least, keeping the rain bands out in the Atlantic, although this one may brush across Northern Ireland and Northern Scotland in the next day or so. But generally it's a veil of gloomy cloud across England and Wales through today, and it really is going to be chilly this afternoon, particularly across the Midlands and Northern England. Temperature just struggling above freezing, although some glimpses of bright weather across the peaks of the Pennines, the Lake District, but more especially northeast Scotland, where we'll see some sunshine and less cold here at around 6 or 7 degrees in light winds, and very similar weather too for Northern Ireland and also the peaks of Snowdonia down across Brecon Beacons towards the Cardiff area. But by and large, Wales will be cloudy and rather grey, as it will be across much of southern England, although southern Cornwall, along with the Isles of Scilly and the Channel Islands, is likely to see some brighter skies with some sunshine, but temperatures only up to around 2 or 3 degrees nevertheless, so rather chilly here. And it remains cold and dry as we go through this evening, so if you're heading off to any of the FA Premiership matches, you'll need to wrap up warm because it is going to be chilly on those terraces. So it remains dry overnight, but it is going to be another cold one with some pockets of frost, particularly in northern parts of England and Scotland, and we will see some patchy mist and fog too, rather misty and murky over the hills like it was this morning. That'll take a while to lift and clear, and then it's an almost repeat performance of today's weather for tomorrow. It's dry, it's grey and it's cloudy, a little bit some pieces of brightness, but a very chilly day for England and Wales and eastern Scotland, less cold across northern and western Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now there's a little bit of a change for Friday across northern Scotland. Thicker cloud just bringing a little bit of rain, but not amounting to much. Elsewhere it's dry and it's cloudy and a touch less cold than today. And then for the weekend we're looking at it being a little bit less cold, highs of 7 or 8 degrees, a lot of dry weather, still a lot of cloud, but hopefully a bit of brightness for all of us. Now back to you, Anna.